Hello, thank you for joining us today. This is Alex with Tech Avenger TV, and today we are reviewing a launcher. We are continuing our launcher series, and we are gonna review a pretty fabulous launcher. It's the Next Launcher 3D Shell, and this is the Lite version. They do have a paid version of this, but it costs about 17 bucks. So it is pretty pricey, but this is a pretty amazing launcher. I mean, the visual effects that it gives are just, I mean, I've never seen one like this. But it's not to everybody's liking. Some people don't like it, some people do. If you like a lot of eye candy, you're probably going to like this one. Again, it's the Next Launcher 3D Shell, the Lite version. Leave a comment if you guys would like me to do one on the paid version. If I get enough interest in that, I have no problem doing the paid version, and I can show some of the other features. I know the paid version has some pretty awesome transition effects. This one is the free version, and as you can see, it has quite the transition effect. I mean, it's look at that. It's pretty interesting, and you can change them up. So anyway, let's go to the home screen. If you slide down your menu, as you can see, it stays TouchWiz, so you're pretty much looking at the same thing, which is mostly the case. And you have a little, let's see, it says you have a healthy reminder. I believe that's an advertisement. Yep, download this, that, okay. Let's get rid of it. So, another thing, if you go to the left side of the screen, as you can see what I'm doing, the left side of the screen has a little tab, like a black tab, and if you put your finger on there, pull it up or down, it will let you quickly go between screens, and it does quite a awesome effect. And that's one of the reasons I like this launcher. And I want to mention, this has been a little buggy, this launcher. When I first installed it, the phone crashed, and I had to uninstall it and reinstall it again to get it to work. So it was a little buggy. I do notice it almost seems like it drops a frame now and then. I think this uses a lot of memory, a lot of the phone's processing capability. So you might see a little worse battery life as well. So you just got to mess with it, see if you like it, see if it's worth it to you. I don't know. It has a theme tab here. If you look at one of the icons down at the bottom, you can download different themes for it. Which is cool. Whenever there's a theme engine, I'm all on board. Over here is live wallpapers. Here is, looks like, yeah, themes, and then this is weather, maybe like widgets. Yeah, it looks like widgets. So you can go over here to top. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, and there are some decent, if you get one thing from this launcher, is it's kind of futuristic. It's sort of just the way all the effects are and everything, it's quite futuristic. So anyway, upgrade. If you click here, this will take you to upgrade to the full version of it. Right now, we're on a limited trial. And as you can see a little bit of the effects you can get if you get the paid version. These are like transitions and stuff. That's the app drawer. Pretty amazing stuff. I mean, I'm not going to lie. And then here's icons you can get and different stuff you can do with them. Let's see what this one shows. That's the page, okay. And then what's it going to do now? Okay, so you can change the to where it's more like a twisting page, I guess I'd say. So you can see there's a lot that this thing offers if you're willing to pay the 17 bucks. Is it worth 17 bucks? I don't know. I guess that's for you to decide. But let's get a little more into the stock or the Lite version here and see what else. So it's next hot. I think this is an advertisement for other apps. Type in E keyboard. Yeah, it's a, download our keyboard. So then you got the phone here. And this is your contacts, I believe. And this is, okay, smart folder. Not right now. So, and this is the app drawer. So, as you can see, this is your, the way it looks, kind of a boxy transition from page to page. Nothing like stock Android. This is far from stock Android, but it looks neat. You got to give them credit. These developers spent a lot of time, I'm sure, developing this user interface, which is something else, to say the least. It's something else. So here you can drag your icons over, and so anyway, good stuff. So then there's text messages. Okay, and then we've got our our browser. Next page over, DU Speed Boost, Effect Mix, Theme Mix, Icon Editor. So this is stuff you can do to, like the Effect Mix, I think can change the transition effect. Theme Mix is probably some stuff you can customize in the theme. An Icon Editor is, of course, stuff you can do for the icons, probably icon packs and stuff. And then these ones up here are the Go Caller, Battery Saver, all that. Those are just ads, more advertisements trying to get you to download apps. So let's go back to the home page. There's a little search menu up here. And as you can see, it's, I guess, their search engine. Nothing to brag about. As a matter of fact, I'd probably just prefer to get rid of it. Remove. There we go. And then what's this? Let's see. If you click that, it resets the weather. So again, it's what is this? That's interesting. So this has some sort of, if I tap it, what happens? I think this thing might actually, does it like wipe the memory or something? I'm not sure what it's doing. Okay, so it makes the icons sort of roll around. Interesting. Okay, so now let's stop that. Can I stop it? Interesting. Okay. I'm just trying to get it to stop. Maybe if I hit the home screen. Okay. There we go. We're back to normal. So, anyway, you guys can tell me what you think. It's a very interesting, futuristic type of launcher. It's got some great effects. I mean, if you want to impress people, you like eye candy, this is eye candy. This makes your phone really feel like it's alive, if you know what I mean. It's just fantastic. I give them credit for all the work they did to create this. By the way, this was developed by the Go dev team at Android. I think they made some other launchers, like maybe the Go launcher. So anyway, they have some decent work out there, and I think this tops them all. So anyway, like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this. Do you want me to do a show on the paid version? Are you guys even interested in that? Also, let's bring up a conversation. Let's talk about, what you guys think of it, and is it something you'll use? Let me know. So please like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. And as always, thank you for joining. This is Alex with Tech Avenger TV. Alex out.